Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to verify your identity on Cash App. So guys, let's start off with wasting any time. First of all guys, if you want to verify your identity and you don't have the feature, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to close this page. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open App Store, Play Store, and there you have to search for the app. You have to update your Cash App and just simply you have to open the Cash App. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on your profile, and after that you can see here security and privacy section, and from here guys, you have to make sure that if verify option is showing here. If it's not showing for you guys, then you have to put some information, like you have to go to edit profile section and just simply you have to put your bio, and you can also put your personal information here, that you have to put your address, or you have to add phone number or email address here. And after putting that, you can see a verification. Okay guys, just simply have to go to security and privacy, and you can see here verify identity option, then you have to tap on that. Okay guys, and you can also verify your identity by tapping on home button, then tapping on Bitcoin. Now from here guys, you have to tap on buy Bitcoin and just simply tap on next. Let me tell you that you have to enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, it's asking you to put your first legal name and second name, and after that it's asking you to put your SSN security code. Okay guys, so you have to put your date of birth again, and after that you can easily verify your identity. So that's pretty much for today video. If it is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.